Tithing when you're broke. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Essence of Delise, and today we're going to be talking about tithing when you're broke. Yo, I just filmed a bomb video. Like, I was so proud of myself on this topic, and of course, like, the devil just is going to do whatever it takes to not get me out. Like, it literally just deleted all the videos I filmed for the day. So as you can see, like, I'm a little bit defeated, but it is what it is. We're going to keep pressing on. So tithing to me is one of those things where, I don't know about you, but like sometimes like I can tithe like on point too, and then just fall off. Or, right, I'm doing okay, and then I start just throwing, alright, here's $20, here's $10, I know you guys have been there before when it comes down to tithing. So what I've been doing as it relates to tithing that has completely transformed my financial gain, and honestly, just my life in general, and what I've been noticing every time I tithe. So the first little hack I got for you when it comes down to tithing when you're broke is to budget. Y'all, I know some of y'all personally who know me know, like, I'm really big on like budgeting now, but when you budget, you really do set aside money specifically for God. And it's only 10% to be obedient. That's all he's asking us to do is 10%. We spend more than 10% on Fashion Nova every week, okay? So we can spend 10% on God. So what I've been doing, and it's made just tithing completely easier for me, is putting it in my budget. Now, if you don't know what a budget basically is just any type of sheet of paper or a spreadsheet, or there's a ton of budgeting apps on your phone where you literally allocate all your money for the month and you tell it where to go, right? So like PSE&G, $70, right? And you follow your budget week by week. So what I've been doing is, number one, and I actually learned this from a book, David Ramsey, Total Money Makeover. First, create a budget. After you create that budget, follow it, of course. But the thing that really has taken my tithing game up another level, and like ensuring that I hit it every Sunday, is tithing first. Tithing first. So I literally put tithing on the top of my budget every week. It is the first thing I do before I touch any bill, before I swipe my card, before I buy groceries for my kids. It literally is the first thing I do. And I actually learned from my pastor. He said one Sunday, when you tithe first, it covers you. Literally. And that's honestly what I've been experiencing. I don't have to worry about bills. I don't have to worry about my children. I don't have to worry about things happening to me. I don't have to worry about my mindset having peace, just disruption in my home. Like, he covers my entire life. Normally, when I don't tithe, it's literally just like this. Like, your life is just like totally miscombobulated. You're always living paycheck to paycheck. Like, I don't know about you, when I don't tithe or when I miss a Sunday, I'm literally scraping to make ends meet. Whenever I tithe, okay, there's always more than enough. There's always more than enough. I'm making the same amount of money each and every 2 weeks. What is the difference? That's the only thing I'm doing differently. Is I'm being obedient to God. There's something in your obedience. He has you. And the moment you believe that, and the moment you just say, you know what, God, I'm gonna jump. Because he has you. I literally tithe every Sunday now. And one thing that's been making it easier, if your church has this, I highly recommend. My church does, and it's made tithing like super easy. It's tithing via your phone. So every Friday morning, I get paid every Friday. Every Friday morning, I open up that app and I send my church my tithe, and I go back to sleep. Like that's it. So I highly recommend tithing. You'd be surprised, right? when you're just obedient over the small tasks that God gives you. Seriously, since tithing, I now know what my gift is. I now know how I'm going to get there. I now set goals for myself. I now crush goals for myself. I now have a savings account. I now have some type of allowance that I'm using every week to fund my dreams. Like, there's just so much that goes into tithing that I truly believe can change your life. The moral of the story is be obedient. Listen to what he's saying. Just tithe. Just tithe. Okay? And those two ways, I mean, listen, if you're making a paycheck right now, you can afford to tithe. That's what I'm saying. If you are getting a paycheck right now, you can afford to tithe. If you're getting some type of income, you can afford to tithe. If you don't believe me, I promise I will never steal you wrong, okay? If you don't believe me, do an experiment for yourself. Take 3 to 4 Sundays and just put God first. First, okay? I'm not talking about paying your bills. I know that was me. I don't know about you, but I used to pay all my bills. Make sure I covered, Brianna, covered everything I needed to do by myself because I'm an independent woman, la la la. And then I paid my tithe. And 9 times out of 10, when you do it that way, you're always going to come up short. You're always going to make excuses, right? Because we turn up. We be partying, everything like that on the weekends. And then when it comes down to tithing, it's like, oh God, please, I only got $10. And you ever say, and you know when you do it that way, you don't even end up having enough money to cover you. Like, so I say that to say, be obedient to God. He's only requesting 10%. How do you do that? For me, what's been helping tremendously, like I don't even think of I've been doing this so much now, I don't even think about tithing. Like, it's a part of me. It wasn't a part of me 2 months ago. Okay? So if I can help one person who's struggling with that whole balance of I want to be obedient and pay my tithe, but I don't have enough money, stop it. You do have enough money because God bless you with that job. Let's keep it 100. Okay? So you have enough money, you just don't want to. But I challenge you, take the next 3-4 weeks, tithe your 10%, and throw a little bit extra. I used to never do the little extra. Like now, I'm like, all right, I got $10 extra. I got 20 extra. Like, I'm not attached to the financial thing anymore. So definitely I want to encourage you to give your tithe. Do that, or some helpful tips is budgeting. Create a budget. Use cash when you budget. And then put the line item of tithing all the way at the top, meaning it's the first thing you pay. I don't even look at tithing as a bill because it just feels icky to say it's a bill, but it is the most important and it will cover the rest of your finances. I promise you. Just give it a try. If you do end up trying, definitely let me know in the comment box below how it went for you. Listen, that's it. Definitely let me know how it went for you. I pray that you have a blessed day. I pray that this Sunday you are invigorated to just do what, like I said, and tithe. Just do it. God got you. Like, you don't even have to. I'm to the point where you don't even have to convince me anymore that God got me. I'm to the point where you don't even have to tell me to have faith, or to even, you know how sometimes like you want to have faith in something, but you're so afraid to have faith in that thing that you don't have faith in it? Or you be like, you know, yeah, I'm going to church, I have faith, but you know you don't have faith. You know you're completely just scared, like panicking in the back of your head. Seriously? That's what 2 months of tithing has done for me. I hope it blesses you. I hope I could be a testimony to someone to just be obedient. God has the world to give you. Literally. But I think I personally feel like, how can he trust you with all his riches in the world if you can't even give 10%? If you can't even give 10%, but you want all these things. It starts with the little. Get good at doing the little. Just get good at being obedient and taking action. It will change your life. So thank you so much for joining me today on this edition of Essence of Elise. As always, definitely don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe. And again, you can do it. You can do it, okay? This is not by chance you're landing on my video today. And I just hope you're blessed. All right. Thanks for joining me. Take care.